There is a movement that goes deeper than sustainability. This isn't just about meeting needs.
A spark glows red.
This is about restoring life. This isn't about surviving. This is about thriving. It's not about the absence of a negative, but the abundance of healthy positives. It's a revolution in the way the world grows things that we call Thrivability.
The revolution takes root from seed to soul.
It's a new day, and Holganix is harnessing over 800 species of microbes to help the American farmer to restore life to the soil, which increases yields. Farms and families thrive. Entire rural communities thrive. We all thrive because the food we eat is healthier. And this living soil grabs carbon from the air and puts it to work at the roots so everyone can breathe easier as we leave the land better for future generations. It's Thrivability for all. And Holganix soil holds millions of gallons of water, reducing runoff, filling our aquifers, and resisting drought and erosion.
See the future we will make.
So what's the catch?
The revolution takes root from seed to soul.
There is no catch.
The crops will grow.
Holganix farms are less expensive to operate. Less expense, higher yields, more profitability, healthier soil, healthier people, Thrivability.
The revolution takes root.
This is validated, verified, and undeniable. So join the Thrivability revolution with Holganix
The revolution takes root.
at Holganix.com.
Pretty good stuff.
Grow possible.
The revolution takes root.